Time for some hot topics, folks. What's the first one?
Okay, so apparently dining is back on the restaurant menu if you're interested. Many restaurateurs are very upbeat about the all clear that they've received now to start having people back in their dining halls.
You know, I didn't know it was stopped.
Yes.
No, I know a lot of people weren't going to restaurants. I know that. And I know they were doing the takeout. But I didn't know that it was officially said you can't go in a restaurant.
You weren't supposed to. And many of the fast food restaurants in particular had taken up their chairs, taken up their tables because they didn't want to encourage people.
Yeah, because I stopped at TGIF to get something, takeout. And I was wondering, how come they moved the place? And
no, it's true. No, that is because they saw you coming. And they didn't really want you in there. So they just removed everything.
So I kind of find it surprising. And I said, why them open and all of the chair them on the table them and stuff. So and then it hit me and I said, okay.
Yeah, they weren't encouraging dining. So yesterday, am I right with this? Right?
Yeah.
Minister Desmond McKenzie announced the ending of the restriction. He said no more than 4 customers would be allowed to dine together at each table. He also warned that it was prohibited to join tables to accommodate large groups and that establishments should ensure that proper sanitization is maintained. Of course, industry players are happy about this because they had seen a huge fall off.
Me and you have a big family.
Revenue.
I'm being serious. Me and you have a big family, so we have 5 kids and a couple auntie and uncle. We live together, so we've been.
We don't live together, but
yeah, but
it's a hypothetical situation.
Right. So we weren't necessarily observing social distancing at home. So why I can't have everybody at the table then?
Because you're not at your yard, no. You're going out of door.
No, so but it's my family, and I'm saying all of.
You still have to observe what you do at home is at risk to those who are at home. What you do when you head out your door is at risk to everybody else.
No. That's not what I'm saying.
What you asking?
Remember you said no more than 4 family members can sit together.
Right.
I'm suggesting why the whole family can't sit together if there are more than 4.
Because the social distancing guidelines.
I don't think you still understand me. So me and Sim have 5 kids and we live together. So the whole of us together all the time. So why we can't go in our corner in a restaurant and stay?
Because it's not allowed. No, because you'd have to ask them to join chairs, but they're saying they're not allowing it. Because they don't want 8 people at one table, which is, I understand.
No, I accept that, I am just saying if it's
also, to accommodate 8 people at one table, you need, 6 feet between each people is 48 times. Just the logistics of it don't make sense for the restaurant.
I disagree, but I hear you.
Just don't go to the place that you're not supposed to carry your
No, I'm not doing it, but I'm not certain anybody understands exactly what I say, but I disagree. Anyway.
Choose your favorite 4, says Clive.
So
okay,
Clive,
so Little John, Little Nev,
rest on the
everybody else,
Can
Canada Yard. Okay.